Dear students, today we are going to understand the chapter File Management, Organization of Data. What is file management? File management helps you organize and keep track of your files and folder in the computer. You can save your work in files and folder. As you can see on the screen, there are different types of folders are there. Okay, so and they also have the different names also, like pictures, videos, documents, download music, and etc. These are called the drives. Okay, so in these drives we save our all the work in the form of files and folders. So let us understand what is a path. A path is a route to reach a file or a folder. As you can see, like, see, we have documents, all the documents are here. So this is called the path. So you can see the document and the USB drive and the PC. So this is the root of any of these file. Okay, so you can understand it easily. So every file or every application in the computer have path. Without path there is nothing. Okay, so you have to understand what is a path. So working with files and folder, let us see how we can view our files and folder. So as I have opened, okay, so these are the chapters I have created. Okay, so these are called the single files. Okay, so now in the 5th standard you have learned how to create a folder. So let me remind you, you have to right click and then you have to go to new, and here is the option folder. So folder you can click and you will have a new folder. You can give it name, like I'm going to give the name like class 6. Okay, and the section, let's suppose ROS heroes. Okay, so this is the folder, and simply when we double click on it we will open the folder, and here you can also create any folder or file or anything you can create. You can, okay, so let us see, there are so many things. Microsoft Access, data, bitmap, pictures, पिक्चर्स के लिए, और आप वर्ड का फाइल भी बना सकते हो इसमें, पावर पॉइंट के फाइल भी बना सकते हो, एनीथिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द वे यू कैन create a folder. Okay, let us back up, and our next topic is transferring data from one drive to another. I have attached 2 pen drive over here. Okay, so now I am going to transfer some data from this USB to this USB. Okay, so let us open this one, and let's suppose this folder I want to transfer. You have to click, and there are so many things, okay, by which you can do. With the help of keyboard you have to press Ctrl C for copy. Okay, let us do, and you can go for right click and you will find the option copy. So you know the difference between cut and copy. So copy, and then we have to go to back. After that, where we want to paste it or where you want to copy it, we have to go there. Like suppose this USB, double click on there, and here again right click and find out the paste option. So when you click on paste here, let us try with another folder, like suppose this one, copy, and double click over here, and let us go for paste. So here it is pasting right now. So this process has been done now. So it is a very simple process. You can copy and paste